Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. This is your general love reading for February 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. I have already uploaded your main reading. I have already uploaded your general reading, so you can have a look on that too. Okay, so this is your extended reading. I have already get your energies for February 2021. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. And for those who have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So yeah, the energies here, I am going to tell you one more time what are the energies before starting your extended reading. A very happy birthday to all my Aquarius who are having a birthday. Let me know in the comment section so that I can personally say happy birthday to you. And one more important announcement is there for you, and that announcement is that I have made two decks for you for the twin flame journey. You can purchase them, and if you wish to purchase them, then let me know in the comment section. I'm going to tell you that how can you purchase these deck. I'm going to show you these two decks so that you can get to know that what are these deck, and these are very beautiful deck. First deck is twin flame messages. This is a deck in which you will get 60 cards, 60 messages from your twin flame, and these deck will help you out to give you the messages from the twin flame. What are the messages which they want to tell you? See, these are the cards for this deck, and these are very beautiful deck. After this completion, I love the deck. I love the deck, and if you wish to get these deck, let me know. So this is the deck which will help you out to give the messages for you from your twin flame. So this is the first deck, and the second deck for you is the twin flame tarot card. And this is a 72 tarot cards for your twin flame journey, which will help you out in your twin flame journey. If you do tarot readings, if you wish to get these deck, you can get it. These are very beautiful deck, and the cards here I can show you like that. Okay, so these are very beautiful deck. Can you see how beautiful it is? And these are 72 cards which will help you out in your twin flame journey. So yeah, this is the back, and the front I am going to show you too. So yeah, that was your front, and this is the back of the tarot card. So this is the tarot deck for twin flame journey, and this is very beautiful and I love it. If you wish to buy these deck, so let me know in the comment section. I will let you know. So now start your extended love reading. The energies which I was getting here, that you are manifesting new beginnings, Aquarius, and you are moving in a forward direction. You are not stuck at all. You are manifesting stability in your life. Ace of Pentacles, the new happy beginnings, and the Fool. You're taking a leap of faith in your life, and you're moving in a forward direction. You are manifesting these beautiful things. You are doing your inner work. See, the Hermit and the Nine of Pentacles. You are doing your inner work, you are doing your soul searching, and you are enjoying your singlehood. Now you know that you are happy, abundant, and abundant in every term in your life. Okay, so now that you know that you're doing your healing, you're doing your soul searching, and you're looking answers from your soul, that what your soul wants. But there is someone around you who is a player kind of energy, who is trying to approach you. They're gathering the strength, the confidence to approach you here. Can you see the Knight of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, the strength? There is someone around you who is very passionate, very creative, very mysterious, the adventurous, but the devil is attached to them. There is some kind of toxicity which is attached to this person. This is a player kind of energy, in and out energy in your life. Okay, they are non-committal. Okay, they cannot give you any commitment. They come in your life, they play with your emotions, and they ghost you away. Okay, so they are unable to bring a balance in a situation. Can you see? They are juggling a lot, but they are keeping their strength with you. They're gathering the confidence to approach you. They want to approach you, Aquarius. They want to talk to you, and after collecting all the strength and all the things, they are going to give you lot of messages. So you are going to receive lot of messages on WhatsApp, on any social media, Instagram, Facebook, or maybe you receive lot of phone calls from them. Okay, they are trying to call you, they're trying to approach you, and I'm going to see show you like this. Can you see Seven of Pentacles and Seven of Wands? So they are trying, they're very worried, they want to approach you, they want to talk to you, but they don't know how to approach you. They, because you are protecting your energy, your self guard, you are guiding yourself. Okay, you're guarding yourself, your self defenses are too much high, you are protecting your aura, you are not allowing anyone to enter in your basically, life. In your aura, you are not allowing anyone, so they don't know how to approach you because your self defenses are too much high right now. So they are worried how to approach Aquarius, how to talk to them. They are unapproachable, I can say that. You are not allowing them, and while you are not allowing them, you are protecting your aura. You are saying that I'm not allowing any, any energy which is not good for myself. I do not want any toxicity in my life, and you are protecting yourself from those energies, and you are creating beautiful things for you. The Hermit and the Nine of Pentacle is here. You're doing your soul searching, you are putting a lot of time on your own self. Okay, you're working on yourself, and that's very good. Here I'm having Two of Swords. Either this is your energy or this is your person energy, that either you are unable to make a decision or they are unable to make a decision. I need to clarify this card in this extended, but after this, the World card is here. You're both completing, you are completing a karmic cycle. There is a closing of a cycle. Bottom of the deck, I was having the Death card here too. So ending of a old cycle and beginning of a new cycle, and there is a karmic completion. The completion of a cycle is here. So now let's start your reading. Let's see what are the meaning of these cards. Okay, so let's start with the Sun. Why there is Sun? Clarify me the Sun. What is the meaning of Sun for Aquarius? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Seven of Wands again. See, this is your energy. This is the energy of you. You're protecting yourself. You're guarding yourself. You are not allowing anyone to enter in your life, basically. Enter in your aura. Why you are not allowing anyone? Because you have spent some sleepless nights in the past. Okay. And now you are holding back from someone here. You are holding back your energy. You are holding back from someone because you have spent some sleepless nights. And why you have spent some sleepless nights? Because of, see, again the Knight of Wands, the Seven of Swords, and the Moon is here. But now you are manifesting new beginnings. You are done with this of energies. That's why you're protecting your energy. The Seven of Wands, Knight of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Moon. This person is someone who is always keep secrets with you. Okay, there is cheating, lying, manipulation. This is a clear kind of energy. Okay, again the Knight of Wands has come here. Play Knight of Wands and the Knight of Wands. That's why the Devil was here. Okay, this is the someone who always keeps secrets with you, who always try to manipulate. Okay, give you cheating, lying, manipulation. Maybe they play mind games with you, but you are done with this energy. You want new beginnings, the happy beginnings. You're hoping for new hopes, new desires, because after spending so many sleepless nights, now you are holding back your energy. You are not opening up at all. You're working on yourself. You are hoping for new hopes, new desires, new happy beginning. Beautiful. Why there is Knight of Wands? Clarify Knight of Wands. Why there is Knight of Wands? Five of Pentacles and Eight of swords. They are feeling restricted, stuck, Aquarius, and that's the justice which is being served in your case. You are doing, can you see how these two energies are? This is their energy and this is your energy. This is the karmic justice which is being served in your case. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself here. You are doing your healing, you are taking care of your health, you are taking care of yourself, resting and rejuvenating, okay, healing from past things which has been happening in your life. The Four of Swords is here, but they are feeling restricted, stuck, because either they left out you in the past or you left out. But this energy I can see here that they left out you in cold, okay, the Five of Pentacles and Eight of Swords, and now they are feeling restricted and stuck. They are unable to move in a forward direction because they left out you in the cold in the past, okay. The Five of Pentacles is here, okay. They left out you in the cold in the past. Now they are feeling restricted, stuck. They are unable to move in a forward direction. That's why they're coming back to you, okay. But you are working on yourself here. Can you see? You are working on yourself. You are healing because of those past things. You are healing it, okay. Let's see more. Why there is Two of Pentacles? 1 minute. Not these two cards, it just fell out, okay. Clarify me Two of Pentacles, Page of Cup, Hermit. They will come towards you with the saying sorry, Aquarius. Maybe some small message, a small offer. 1144 was the recording reading time. But you are in a hermit mode. See, again the hermit has come. You are in a hermit mode. You are looking answers from within yourself. You are not looking answers from outside. You are already doing your soul searching. You will receive some kind of message from them. Okay, a small message saying, hi Aquarius, how are you? Or I'm sorry, apology, but something you will receive from them, okay. Either they were in a hermit mode or you were in a hermit mode. And there is a small bird in the window here. Okay, why there is Strength card here? Okay, there was a third party situation which was going on in your life. Three of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, Knight of Cups and Ten of Wands. Maybe they approach you but your defenses are high. You are guarding yourself here. Nine of Wands. Maybe in the past they approach you but you did not accept the offer, okay. You did not accept the offer. Your guards were high. You are protecting your energy, okay. Can you see how this girl is holding a wand in the hand and saying that no, I'm ready to fight? So you were ready to fight. Maybe they approach you in a romantic way, but no, because this was someone who was carrying a lot of burdens on the shoulder here. They were third party situation definitely in your life. Third party can be anything: work, family, friends, any other addiction. So that can be anything, but there was some kind of third party situation here. That's why they're keeping their strength with you, but because they approach you in the past with a romantic offer, but you did not accept that. You said no, I don't want that offer. Why there is Queen of Wands? See, Six of Cups. This is someone from your past. I told you this Queen of Wands is someone from your past, okay. This is someone from your past. You both know each other. And Six of Cup is someone, is a soulmate energy too. Soulmate card too. Okay. So you both have spent past lives together. You both know each other. This is not a new energy. This is someone from your past. Six of Cups. Okay. Who told you that I'm going to give you equal amount of give and take, but you are keeping your patience, but they did not come. You are waiting for them to come. You are keeping your patience. They promised you that they are going to give you equal amount of give and take, but they did not do that. in the past. Okay, so this is someone from your past. Okay, the devil here. Why there is devil? Clarify me, devil. Clarify me, devil. Okay, Queen of Swords, Seven of Wands, the Sun, the Six of Wands, and Ace of Swords. You are getting your clarity, Aquarius. You're getting success, recognition, victory in receiving your clarity. You want clarity, and you are getting your clarity. Why you are getting clarity? Can you see here the Sun, the Seven of Wands, and the Knight of Queen of Swords? You are saying no to this devil. You are protecting your energy. They're trying to approach you, but you are not accepting it. You're protecting yourself. You're saying no, I'm no more mind games, no more toxicity in my life. I'm protecting my energy. I know the truth, because Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth, and you know the truth. You are someone who knows the truth, and you will cut immediately if you find that someone is, playing with your playing with you, giving you lies, cheating, manipulation. You will cut them immediately, and you know that. Now you already know that this person was playing with you, because you had the clarity here. Ace of Swords, you have that clarity, and now you're getting success, Aquarius, because the Sun card has come again here. The new beginnings are coming for you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Nine of Cups, the Five of Cups, the Five of Swords here. Here you are the wish fulfillment for them. They think that you are the wish fulfillment for them, but now they are very happy, very sad. Okay, they are not happy at all. They're very sad and because of those conflicts, they know that they were having a lot of conflicts with you. The Five of Swords, the Five of Cups. Okay, they know that they have messed up. Basically, there were a lot of conflicts with this person. Clarify me, Eight of Wands. Clarify Eight of Wands. Why there is Eight of Wands? Too many cards. Okay, they want to come out. Okay, because they're feeling like an hangman. They are stuck. I told you, they are stuck. There are conflicts which are happening around this person in their life. They are stuck. They are unable to move in a forward direction. They are feeling restricted here. This energy was feeling restricted, feeling stuck. Okay, you are enjoying your singlehood. See, again the Nine of Pentacles has come here. Nine of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. You are enjoying your singlehood, and they see that. Okay, they see that you are very happy. You are enjoying your singlehood. You are, you are abundant in your own way, and you are happy alone. Maybe they were exploring other options than you. Seven of Cups is here, but now after exploring all options, Seven of Cups, now they are getting to know with using their intuitions and having exploring other options. They are now going to give you an offer of Ten of Cups and the Lovers. They finally going to get that clarity that this is my person with whom I can spend my whole life. This is the love of my life. This is the happily ever after. Okay, now they're getting to know that. Before they were exploring lot of options here. Okay, they were exploring other options. They were having lot of options to explore, because this is a player kind of energy. Okay, so after exploring all options, now they know that, and they are also using their intuitions, and after using their intuitions, they finally going to get on a point that this is someone, this Aquarius is the love of my life. This is the lovers of my life, and this is someone with whom I can spend my whole life, a happily ever after, happy family, happy life. Ten of Cups. Now they are realizing that. Okay, that's good. They are realizing that. Seven of Pentacle. Clarify me, Seven of Pentacle. Why they are worried? Too many cards. They see you as Empress. They see as Empress, and they know that they have backstabbed you. They have put all the swords in your back. They know that they have done wrong to you. Too many cards. No, I'm not going to take it. Too many cards. Okay. Clarify me, Seven of Pentacles. They want beautiful thing to you. Ace of Pentacle and Ten of Pentacle. Before they were unable to make a decision here. Again, I'm getting Two of Swords. They were unable to make a decision to give you a stability, to give you commitment, but now they are making a decision. They want to give you Ten of Pentacle, abundance of everything. But they are worried whether you are going to accept it or not. Clarify me, Seven of Wands. Why the defenses are high, Aquarius? High. Eight of Pentacles. Because you are working and you are putting a lot of efforts in this relationship before. You are putting lot of efforts, lot of time, lot of energy in this relationship in the past, and you are not receiving back that thing. Clarify, Hermit. Clarify, Hermit. Magician and the Chariot. Beautiful. See, again the Magician is here. You're manifesting to move in a forward direction. The Chariot is here. You are manifesting to move in a forward direction with the Hermit, and this is very beautiful energy, Aquarius, because you're doing your soul searching. You're manifesting it, and you are manifesting your twin flame, your divine counterpart. You want your passion back. And here some unexpected changes are going to happen. The Tower is here, and the World card 2211 was the recording reading time. The World card is here again. So you're completing a cycle because you are not stuck. You're doing your soul searching. You want to move in a forward direction. You are manifesting beautiful things for you. Clarify, Nine of Pentacles. So coming towards the calmer waters. Six of Swords is here. Two of Swords, Two of Cups. You want someone with equal amount of give and take. Okay. You want two-way relationship in which both are offering love to each other. But they were unable to make a decision for that. That's why you decided to stay alone, happy. Because they were unable to make a decision. But now they are rushing towards you, and this is your divine counterpart. Here I'm having Knight of Swords, King of Cups, and Queen of Cups. They are rushing towards you, Aquarius. Yes, they are rushing towards you, and this is your divine counterpart. Here the power couple, I can say that. Here the King of Cup and Queen of Cup both are here. And they are coming towards you. They are rushing towards you. They are coming. In the past, they were not ready, but now they know your worth. Now they are finally getting to know that this is the one with whom I can spend my whole life, with whom I can have my happily ever after. Clarify me the World card. Clarify the World. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Wands again, and here I'm having Three of Wands. You're waiting your ships to come, and here they are coming. Here, this is your match. This is your divine counterpart, King of Wands and Queen of Wands. Both are here, okay? So this is, you are completing a cycles because you are waiting your ships to come. You're waiting to move in a forward direction, okay? You are not stuck at all. Clarify the World more. No. Clarify the World. Queen of Pentacles. Yes, maybe you are financially stable, grounded, and you are working on your finances. You know how to manage your finances. Okay. So yes, you're waiting your ships to come. Clarify me the Fool. Page of Pentacle, Emperor. Clarify the Fool. Yeah, bottom of the deck I'm having Eight of Cups, Hierophant. Either you walk away from this person or move in a forward direction, or this person move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups. Okay, but either you are married to this person because Hierophant is here. You were keeping your patience, Aquarius. You were keeping your patience with this person, but now you are not keeping it at all. You move in a forward direction. You said that now enough is enough. I'm going to manifest beautiful things for myself, as I know that I'm abundant of everything. I have all the tools to manifest beautiful things in my life. And as you move in a forward direction, as you change your energy, beautiful things are coming your way. It just fell out. Five of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, and the Four of Swords. Okay, here you are resting and rejuvenating yourself because you are working on yourself, and they are not happy at all. They are very sad, remorse, guilt on those things which has already happened, and you are rising as an Empress. Beautiful thing. Yeah, see, Three of Swords. Because of the past heartbreaks, this person has break your heart many times. That's why you are healing from that past heartbreaks, past traumas. Okay, let's see what is the advice from the divine, from the universe. Please give me the advice for Aquarius. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the advice for Aquarius for February 2021. The world has come again for you. You're completing a cycle, Aquarius. This is a completion of a cycle. Okay, a karmic cycle is getting complete. The closing of a cycle. A new cycle is beginning for you. Any other message? With your twin flame, with your divine counterpart, the Four of Wands is here. Okay. What is the advice for Aquarius? What is the advice? Beautiful. Eight of Cups, Five of Wands, Emperor, and the Sun is here again for the third time. New happy beginnings are coming for you for sure, Aquarius. The Sun, and the Sun. Three times I'm having the Sun for you. So new happy beginnings are coming for you because you have taken the energy, you are taking the charge of your life. The Emperor is here. You're taking the control of your life. You're taking the control of your, that authority, the control of your life, that I'm going to, do things for my own self, my own life. I'm going to correct things for my life. Five of Wands, Eight of Cups again. Either you move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups, or this person move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups. Five of Wands is all about conflicts, fighting. There were a lot of fightings, drama, conflict in this relationship. Okay, and either you move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups. New happy beginnings are coming for you. The World and the Sun is here. Okay, beautiful. So this was your extended love reading for February 2021. Okay, I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So let's summarize for your reading. There are three suns for you, Aquarius, from my three decks. Okay, I used my three decks, and in every deck I got the Sun for you. So new happy beginnings are coming for you because Sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck. So new happy beginnings are coming for you, that is for sure. Okay, there is World card here, the World card here, and there is third World card here, there too. Where is the World card? Fine, it's okay. There were three world cards, but I can show you right now there is two world card here too. So yeah, you're completing a karmic cycle. There is a closing out a cycle which is going to happen in your life. You're closing out a cycle. Okay, there is someone from your past. Okay, you both know each other who is rushing towards you, Aquarius, which was unable to make a decision in the past, but now they are making a decision. They're choosing you. Basically, they know that you are the one with whom they can spend their whole life happily ever after. Okay, after exploring all options in their life, now they are, coming to a conclusion that you are the one. By using their intuitions and by exploring all options, now they're going to come a conclusion that they can, create a beautiful things with you. They are coming towards you, but your defenses are too much high. You are not allowing them to enter in your life at all, because this is someone who is, a player kind of energy in the past. So they always come in your life, they play with your emotions, and they vanish again. Seven of wands, seven of wands. You are not approachable right now. Okay, they cannot able to get a contact with you, get in a contact with your energy, but they are trying so hard to get in your contact. You will receive lot of communication is coming towards you here, and you know this truth that this person is not good for you here. You know this, and this is someone who is from your past. Okay, you both know each other. You both know each other very well. They are worried that how to approach Aquarius, but now you are not approachable, Aquarius. This is a player kind of energy, in and out energy here, and now they are stuck, restricted. They are unable to move in a forward direction. Here they are feeling stuck, restricted, being left out in a cold by you. Either they left out you in a cold in the past, or someone left out in the cold, either by you left out in a cold, or they left out you in a cold. Okay, but someone left out in a cold. Okay, and now they're realizing your worth. Basically, you are manifesting it, Aquarius. There are two magicians here. You are manifesting new beginnings, new happy beginnings. Okay, here you are taking a leap of faith, and you're moving in a forward direction. You want stability in your life, and you're receiving it. Okay, so you're doing your inner work, Hermit, and you are moving in a forward direction. Right now, some of your Aquarius are single, abundant, and you know that you are alone, single, abundant. You are abundant of everything, and that's very good, because you have to know that, Aquarius, you deserve best and you will get the best. So this was your reading for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Sending you lots of love and light to all my Aquarius all over the world. And if you want to tell me anything, let me know in the comment section. Okay, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.